Hi guys, hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. My channel is Style My Way Usha and I'm Usha. I make videos related to style and fashion and I also do a lot of fashion related DIYs. If you are interested in all these things, please consider subscribing to my channel. So today I'm going to do a shopping haul video. I bought a few kurtas and kurta sets from Myntra. These kurta and kurta sets are very perfect for college going girls or women who work in offices. So these are perfect for office wear and college wear. Without further ado, let's see what all I got. And I'm also going to show you how I style them. So if you like my styling tips, please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's go. So this is the first dress that I bought from Myntra. This is from the brand Sangria, and I paired this dress up with some beautiful little gold hoops and these jutis, which are very comfortable, perfect for office wear or college wear. This dress is such a beautiful asymmetrical cut dress. It's high cut on one side and low on the other, and it comes with this pair of palazzo pants, but they're not as wide. They're straight cut where the fabric is pure cotton, very soothing, and the kind of dress is perfect to lift your spirits. And this is a perfect dress even for attending meetings in the offices. If you are someone who wants comfort and style in their dresses, this is the one you should go. So this next kurta is a simple black kurta. I paired it up with these beautiful oxidized earrings and my black heels. If you're not comfortable with heels, you can always go for flats. And this bag is from Miraggio. I really love the style of this bag. It's perfect for office wear. And I love the wooden button detailing at the neck. And it goes so well with these pants. These pants are black and white checked pants. This is from one of my kurta sets which I bought from Myntra. I will give the link of this one too in the description box. So if you want something like this, you can go and check it out. So this is a perfect dress. I really love this kurta for office wear. Black and white is very nice and very easy to style too. So I feel that these are the basic kurtis that we all need in our closet. This next kurta is from the brand Sangria. I paired it up with simple earrings and jutis. I love this tie-up detailing and the puff sleeve detailing of this kurta. It also has pockets on both sides, which I really love. But I do recommend you take one size up because I feel the fitting will be better if you size up a little in this kurta set. Sorry, it's not a kurta set. I paired it up with this light blue colored pants. I could have also paired it up with white pants. It would look good in white pants too. I love this floral detailing. The fabric is beautiful, soft cotton, mull cotton kind of fabric, which is very soothing, very comfortable to wear. So if you're looking for something unique, stylish, trendy and comfortable, you surely should go for this kurta. It's very comfortable and very beautiful. I really loved it. So this next kurta is also from the brand Sangria. It's a kurta set. It comes with pants. I love the Sangrakha pattern kind of detailing on the front of the kurta. It's such a beautiful sage green color kurta, very light pastely sage green. The design pattern is also very pretty and beautiful, like a traditional Indian pattern, which is very soothing to the eye. I love the way it falls and the fitting is also very beautiful. It's a very comfortable kurta to wear for office or everyday purposes. Just pair it up with a watch and simple earrings, and this kurta set gives such graceful and elegant look. I really love this kurta a lot. This next kurta is from the brand Inweave. It is a very pretty kurta. I love this royal blue color and it has pockets on both sides. It's a loose fit kurta. It's very comfortable. The fabric is viscose rayon, I guess, and I paired it up with these pants which I had. These are the blue and white zigzag striped pants, and paired it up with jutis and a small bag and very nice little blue colored hoops. It's perfect for office wear, very comfortable. I feel this is a perfect outfit for Friday dressing when you want a pop of color in your outfit. This is a perfect one for that kind of occasion. So please go for it. It's very nice, very comfortable to wear. This next kurta is also from the brand Sangria. It's a beautiful lilac color kurti with, I paired it up with pearl earrings and these transparent heels, white cotton pants which I had, and white bag. So this is such a nice, elegant, graceful and beautiful kurta. I really love it. I love this asymmetrical detailing that it has, and it's a very comfortable fit kurta, very nice, perfect for office wear and college wear too. This is such a easy breezy outfit, very casual. You can wear it for your shopping, your errands, or any casual day out with friends. This is such a nice and great outfit for those kind of things. This next kurta set is from the brand Anoop. It's such a beautiful kurta set. It has this beautiful wooden button detailing in the front. It comes with palazzos, which are not very wide, very perfect for office wear. I paired it up with small gold hoops and this beige color tote bag and transparent heels. The kurta is very beautiful. It has white stripes all over. The kurta gives a little bit of shine because of very minute sequence on the kurta fabric. The shine is not so dominant though, so it's perfect for office wear as well as college wear. The kurta is made up of cotton fabric. So if you're looking for something comfortable, chic, classy and elegant, go for this kurta set guys. You're not going to regret it. It's such a beautiful kurta set.